You know what my asshole brother said?
With our backs to the wall, the darkness will fall. We never quite thought we could lose it all. Ready, aim, fire. Ready, aim.
We're going to dig up a massive amount of worms for fishing.
Okay.
Like a massive, like 500 to 700 worms.
Okay.
That wasn't gross. Pretty good starter bucket. Nice and clean.
It's just beautiful.
If you want this ride, you can have it.
It actually looks like there's water in there from my
See?
phone.
Intred Titanium Shakespeare.
That's made out of titanium.
No, it's just.
Oh. It actually looks like there's water in there on my phone.
Oh, it's an MI7 graphite.
Looks like there's water in there on my phone. But look, there's none.
And this is an MI7 graphite. I think it has pretty good feel. The only reason why I don't really want it is because I normally use bait casters, and bait casters need that little dip in that circle so I can hold on to it and like clean up farther. Like if you had like a regular open 15, clean up pretty far. I like feeling go sideways. I like doing that. So from what I've learned, under carpets are a lot of worms. First we have to get some dirt in our bucket. And a shovel.
Hello, Figgy. Look at all those ants. I think we have a very slightly over large ant over here. All those ants. All those ants. There's only one of these. No.
Oh, we got the dirt.
Okay. I found it. Yes. Hey Anthony, look what I found. It's the lollipop of death.
There's like 4 worms under here.
Oh, goody.
Maybe I'll do it.
Worm finding. So difficult to grab. I think it's 5 down.
5 out of 500. Alright. 6 million more to go.
Look at that.
It's a whole lot of carpets.
Yeah. It's like 50 carpets on top of carpets. Like what?
On top of this. Oh, I thought that was cement. 5 worms equals 16, no, 16 fish if we save our worms like geniuses.
Probably a lot of spiders.
Worms, boy.
Oh, 4 down here.
It's 4 down there already?
Already picked up all 4. What the fuck is that? Oh, one of those. What are they called? Earwig. Yeah, earwigs. Fucking niggers. Is that a bait? Dude, I just found a spoon. I found a spoon! I thought it was a bait. It looked like a bait.
Anyway! Did we do this one already?
Yeah. Worm farm's going pretty good.
So far. Well, there's a tarp right here. I don't know if any worms will be under that. Nah.
Sandy.
Yeah, it's way too sandy. A lot of ants. It smells like ass back here. Worm.
Snake.
Oh, snake. If only you had your machete.
You wanna go to the secret gun spot?
Sure. Oh, I need that. It's the airsoft piece. Okay. Well, it's a good thing that still exists.
So me and Dan have a secret gun spot back here.
Need to find it. Wow. They're like no thorn bushes now.
And this is
Oh,
so much
there's
different
one.
than what we originally-
Looks a lot different. Okay, so there's a Jeep.
Nothing's the same back here at all.
Yeah, it used to be just dirt. Now it's like
All is cleared out. Like, what?
a lot of plants. Yeah, see, that's what it used to look like. Right there. That's what it used to look like. Now it looks like this. Okay. So I think it's this way. It's by that really fucked up looking tree. Look out for snakes. My favorite type of pet is I can unleash them in my house and kill my sisters. Okay. Where was it? Right here. Found it. A lot of ants. It's basically a time capsule.
Pretty far back in the woods, I'd say.
The what?
So it's pretty far back in the woods.
Yeah.
You know, in the farm.
Let's go look at that Jeep, see if we can do anything about it. So I seen that it was moved, so. Well, I mean, this can go on my exploration channel. Well, at least part of it.
New hiding spot. Hate these cactuses, man. I mean, the battery wasn't in there before. You couldn't find them.
Yeah, there were kids playing out here a while ago, so. I told them this was private property and they don't really have the right to be on it, so. Because they're from the campground. You think we should go to that?
Treasure apprentice.
What?
Treasure apprentice. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Doesn't hurt. It's like I think all the plants absorb the prickers and now you can just drag your feet through here.
Alright, I say we give this.
A makeover.
Yeah.
Oh. Hi there.
You know what we should do? Just let all the brush, all the leaves and stuff take over the top of it.
Okay.
Like, the weeds and stuff be our walls.
I don't think this is safe. Well, it's dry.
This try?
Yeah. I think this needs to be raked out again. Darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again. Okay, that's not gonna work.
I kinda wanna sneak over to the KOA and go fishing.
So do you think we should go and show these viewers what is over that way? Just a little bit that way, or yeah, was that a yes?
I don't know. But I
Okay.
wanna go down to the KOA.
Yeah, we can go down to the KOA and go fishing, I guess. Wait, where's the bucket? Did you bring it with? Okay, it's right there. Ah, the trusty shotgun,
Homemade.
which is not so very trusty anymore. Oh shit, ants. Yeah, don't touch the shotgun, Anthony. There's ants in it. Like a lot of them. Let's freak the fuck out. Oh shit, ants. There's spiders crawling all over me right now. I don't fucking like it. Sure.
No, on two.
You think?
We're not even allowed in this place, so we gotta be quiet about it.
Yeah, someone's been in that. Good God. Dibs on what? Oh, you found one of them, Oh! You found an arrow. For the crossbow. How sharp is the tip? That's sharp enough to kill something. Wow, there's a whole clearing back here. Now, when we first moved here, this was my joke. This is where the Slenderman hangs out. And I wouldn't be surprised if he does. Here's a weird-ass tree. What?
Please. Yeah. It's Park Trooper.
Watch some sort of camper just like look up at us like, what the fuck? There's a whole lot of space back here. There is a,
Trap.
there's a swamp back here that we can go to because it's still somewhat off that property. So we just walk back here and we can get there.
Remember that?
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I just kind of.
Yeah, I can hear that too. Yeah, there's something like a deer or something walking around out there.
You remember those fucking dead frogs? Dead frogs?
Oh yeah, I remember those.
Maybe they were dying off because we're making a tree house right now.
Boy, this tree is perfect. Perfect. Motherfucker, you hurt trees? No. Oh look, a squirrel.
Oh, this is the noise I heard.
Yeah, I heard something like that. I heard it faintly. It was somewhere over there.
It was this time.
Look, a kid's.
Voices.
Yep. Dude, look. You see that? You know what that is, right? That's a fence. That's probably barbed wire.
Oh god.
Yeah, I saw that on like a kid's balloon. Too bad it isn't red. Look, there's metal. What is this? Whoa. Oh, yeah. There's a metal paint can down here. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Yeah, here's a swamp. Yeah, we could definitely go fishing down here. It's a little dried up, but I don't suggest walking down in there. don't think there's gonna be any fish in that. There's a lot of mosquitoes. So there wouldn't be fish in there. I mean, there'd definitely be frogs, that's for sure. I'm gonna check out this divot here that looks like a fucking crater from an asteroid. Oh, wow. There's a path up here. Like a perfect path. Look at that. Wow. Let me guess. This used to be some sort of lake or something.
Where are we going to?
I don't know. Well, the path goes down this way, so I'm just gonna.
Look, there's another path that way. It's like you choose.
Yeah, there's a path here as well. So a tree just grew in the way.
Alright, so we're following an old path. No, it goes this way.
Oh, yep. Dude, dibs. Dibs. I call dibs. That's a headlight.
An ATV.
Yeah, I call dibs. That's
What would
mine.
be strong enough to knock a headlight off an ATV?
A deer or something very, very angry. Oh, whoa. These are different.
The path goes this way.
Dude, these are motorized.
Oh, there's a whole goddamn ATV.
There is?
Look, the whole front of one.
Dude. Some shit has been happening down here.
Car.
You're right. That was a car.
He hit the fence hard. And that creates an opening for us to go through the fence.
Yeah, but here's another thing. That's the highway.
I have a question. Where did we hear the voices from? There's no one this way.
And the other question is, look at this.
Food wrapper.
Food wrapper. These are marks from a car.
Did a car run off the highway or run from the cops or something?
And look at that. Drove straight through there.
Fucked up his car bad.
Yep. I mean, I'm just going by evidence.
Oh, bro, a bunch of tiny ass frogs.
Wait,
Glove department. Airbag. Like it's an airbag.
hold on, no. That could be a headlight. Think of it.
Bro,
What kind of headlight does this look
This
like?
wasn't open.
It's a Trans Am. That's a Trans Am. Because some Trans Ams, you know how they have that just black part?
Look, this was not open.
Yeah, you're right. It's broken open. Dude, there's more car parts right here.
Yeah, let's do a recap on car.
Yeah, there was definitely a car going through here. Look at that. A mirror. It's on the dashboard?
That can't come out without your window coming out.
Oh, yeah.
I think someone might have died, actually.
Wait,
Like,
hold on. Hold up. What car is this? Dude, this could have been a BMW. Like this.
oh,
Okay. Okay.
it is.
I will see you guys in the next video. Fuck you.